everyone, Daisy here with another layout for Paper House Productions. This week we are using the faux enamel stickers, and so I am using these birthday themed ones. I was thinking about using those kind of retro ones that you see over on the right there, but they don't end up making it on. So I am starting out with a white piece of cardstock, and then I pulled out this gorgeous wood grain paper out of the Great Outdoors papers from Paper House, and I am just tearing off a chunk here. I didn't really measure it, I just kind of guesstimated about how much of it I wanted to use. And I'm using these 3 photos of my son. These were taken on his birthday when he turned 15, and I just thought they were adorable, so of course I'm going to scrap them. Now this is another paper from the Great Outdoors collection. This one is, I think, Call of the Wild. I think the wood grain is called Into the Woods, I believe. But on the blog post, I will have all of the products linked with the correct names and everything, but also linked to the shop. So anyhow, I chose to use that chevron paper for the kind of pops of color. The wood grain really matches with the brick wall that my son is standing in front of, so I loved that color combination, and then I chose to use some little pops of color, and the chevrons were perfect for that. Now I used some free cut files that I just found online. I do not remember where they came from because nothing is ever labeled with "you found this cut file here." So I am just using a couple of them here. And what I did is I used that chevron paper and I cut them out on the chevron paper, and then I also went through and I cut them out using some white cardstock, and so I'm going to use kind of an offset effect here to kind of get like a almost 3D feel to my cut files. And I'm just trying to match up part of my title. So my title is going to be Happy Birthday to You, Cool Dude. And just trying to figure out where I want these to go. I was thinking about not kind of layering all of them up and just using some of them that way, but I really like the white over the chevron like that. And I'm just kind of layering these around, trying to figure out my layout. And then here are the birthday faux enamel stickers, and I am just going to lay these out. And I'm sorry I'm off screen a little bit here. I believe well, maybe I don't fix it, but you're not really missing much down there. It's very little. But what I did is I took the sticker sheet out and I cut the stickers apart so that I could play around with them and figure out where I wanted my placement to go. And so you see me here just messing around with that. And I really liked those star stickers. All of these stickers have a gold foiling on them, and so they're, you know, beautiful and metallic, and I really like them. They do make it hard to kind of photograph because I have some pretty bright lights in my room, and you know, with anything that's foiled, it makes it a little difficult to photograph them, but in real person it is gorgeous. So I'm choosing to use not everything that came on the sticker sheet, but I am using most of the things. I took that Happy Birthday to You kind of title piece and I did cut off, there was a little banner that you can see over there on it. I did cut that off just because it wasn't going to fit where I wanted to put that piece. If I would have left the banner on there, it would have been down in my son's face, and I didn't want that. So this is pretty much what the layout's going to be. I just went off screen and adhered everything down because that's pretty boring to watch. And now I'm going to add some of these stars, and there's just like 5 or 6 stars, 5 stars, kind of as a border strip here, and I just put them through my Xyron sticker maker just to make it easier than using like liquid glue so that they would stick down. And I'm going to put some above the photos and then some just down below. And then I'm going to layer the white cardstock stickers over the top of them, or white cardstock cut file that I made into stickers on top of them. And I feel like it just kind of fills in a little bit more of that space that's there. But the enamel stickers really gave a way to add kind of a different texture and add some gold foiling and some shine to the page without adding a lot of bulk. They are flat stickers, but they have a finish to them that makes them seem like they're enamel, and they're very sturdy as well, so they're not going to like crack like some normal enamel stickers can. So I really enjoyed playing with them on this layout. I did outline the outside of my page here just because I felt like it kind of helped bring everything together as a full page. And yeah, I'm just going to fool around with these stars a little bit, and then I believe that is going to be the end of my layout. So I just want to say thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, you should head on over to the blog. There are a ton of different things going on with the design team, and you should see the projects that they're creating with these stickers. I mean, they're amazing, so definitely go and check that out. Everything, all the links will be down below in the description box. But thanks so much for watching. I will see you again next time. Bye!